Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll discuss the exercises on finished materials such as stainless steel, copper, brass and aluminium, such as marking out, cutting to size, taping, drilling, etc. without damaging the surface of the finished articles.
Objective: at the end of this video, you will be able to 1. Mark on the aluminium, brass, copper with vernier height gauge. 2. Cut extra metal using hacksaw. 3. Drill countersink, counterbore and ream. 4. Tap, finish and deburr. Let us discuss the tools and materials required to do these practicals. Drilling machine 1. Vernier height gauge 1. Vernier caliper 1. Steel rule 300 mm 1. Drill bit 6 mm to 12 mm 1 set. Reamer tool 6 mm 1. Counterbore 6 mm 1. Tap and die set 1. Flat file 12 inches 1. Dot punch 1. Ball peen hammer 250 gram 1. Let us discuss the job sequence for this practical. 1. Check raw material. 2. File to adjacent side and on flat surface. 3. Mark the size of 74 mm by 48 mm outer line. 4. Punch identification mark. 5. Remove the excess material using hacksaw. 6. Mark the center as per dimension. 7. Set the job on drilling machine. 8. Make drill holes as per standard chart. 9. Make reaming, counterboring and tapping. 10. Make countersinking as per dimensions. Let us do in practical. Step 1. Collect the various materials like aluminium, copper and brass that cannot be less than 9 mm thick, 76.5 mm in length and 48 mm in breadth. Step 2. Hold the 3 work pieces against the angle block. Step 3. With the help of a vernier height gauge, mark the lines on the 3 work pieces. Step 4. First, place the work pieces in a vertical position and finish marking as per the dimensions given in the sketch. Step 5. Turn the workpieces horizontally and complete the dimension marking. Step 6. Make the punch marks on the workpieces with the help of the punch center and hammer at the marked junction to make drilling, tapping, etc. as per the sketch, so that cutting can be done easily. Step 7. Also, make punch marks in an extra area if found. Step 8. Unlock the bench vise using the lever. Place the workpiece between the jaws and tighten. Step 9. With the help of the hacksaw frame, cut and remove the extra pieces. Step 10. Do the same in all the 3 workpieces. Step 11. Place the job pieces between the jaws of the bench vise and start filing with the help of the file to smooth the workpiece. Step 12. Complete the filing process for all 3 workpieces. Step 13. Take a vernier scale, measure all workpieces' length, width and thickness and ensure that they are finished as per the given dimensions. Step 14. Fix the drill bit to the appropriate size, 6 mm as per the dimensions in the drilling machine chuck and tighten it. Step 15. Now place the workpiece in the suitable fixture and tighten with the lever in the drilling machine and make drilling. Step 16. In the same way, drilling is made in other workpieces for 6 mm. Step 17. Change the bit to a 12 mm replacement and drill at position B as shown in the sketch. Step 18. Fix the reamer tool in the drilling machine chuck and make a ream at position D for 6 mm as per the sketch. Step 19. Now replace the reamer with a 6 mm counter bore and drill at position A. Step 20. Make countersunks at positions C and H for 10 and 12.5 mm respectively in all 3 pieces. Step 21. Remove the workpieces from the drilling machine fixtures and fix them between the jaws of the bench vise. Step 22. Now that you have a drilled hole, use the correct tap size for cutting internal threads. To begin tapping, rotate the taper bit clockwise until you feel resistance from the threads cutting into the material. From there, for every full rotation clockwise, make a half rotation counterclockwise. Tappings are done at positions F, E and G for 10 mm, 8 mm and 6 mm respectively as per the given dimensions. Inspect all 3 workpieces after completing the process.
In this video, so far we have discussed marking out, cutting to size, drilling and taping the different materials like stainless steel, copper, brass and aluminium. I hope after watching this video, you can do this practical individually.